I'm Candy Rosenberg, a vintage girl, here with Prima Marketing showing their icing paste, new Finnabair product. It's really amazing because it's got high pigmentation in the color. It gives us a very textured, almost a molding paste texture to your finished product, plus the shimmeriness to it. So I'm going to show you how to make this one here. So we're going to use one of Finnabair's new stencils, and we're doing black on black. So a little trick, if you have one that has the white lines, this has been my savior today. Putting the stencil on there, I'm going to see that I have the lines right there, so I know my card is here because I can't tell where it is. So just a little trick. So we're just going to go in here, brush off, and stencil it just like you would anything with the silver on the black ATC cards. And it's got a really nice texture to it. It goes in there very easily. It's even nicer and easier than paint. Let's see if we got it all covered here. Let's see what happens.
Ooh.
So I got that. I'll put that aside because I want to show the two colors together, blend them. Let's grab another card. Get in the middle there. Alright, so we're in these lines here. Now we're going to use this beautiful color here.
That's so pretty.
I had the color. Fire Ruby. I'm getting old, I can't read that small writing. So we're going to use the Fire Ruby. We're going to do the same thing. I'm just going over where I was because we're going to blend them anyway. So I'm going to do that on the bottom. Put that aside, and we're going to grab our silver again. Don't worry about putting them together because that's what we're trying to do. Make sure we got everything. I'm even going to put some down here. And we'll see what happens.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Just pull it aside so we got all the little side stuff done. That's all there is to it. It's that easy. And you can do that with acrylic paints too, because the new acrylics, they're thin. They don't have that heavy paint. So when you're stenciling and it spreads underneath, that's more liquid. So you get a better finish on it when you're using stencils.
These new acrylics are one of my favorite products.
That's what's on here.
So Candy's made this.
This is all the acrylic paint and then the matte wax, just to give it a little patina.
Oh, nice.
So and I just blended up the purple with the orange that they have.
Beautiful. And you use the sculpture medium
on here. We did a demo the first day, which is amazing because a lot of people don't know about this product.
Right.
And this is a canvas. And Prima has fabric packs that people don't know about either.
Oh, I love their fabric packs.
Canvas, burlap, and the mesh. So this is the canvas, and I took pieces and put it in the medium, laid it out, and moved it around, made the shape. And when they were all dry, I brought them all together and assembled them. And then just glued them to each one. But the big thing on this is that it will do the heavier fabrics. So it'll do the upholstery fabrics and denim.
Oh, okay.
I have never found a stiffener that can handle that. So when you get it wet, you just shape it however you want, and it dries. The heavier fabrics take a little longer, but this only takes about 10-15 minutes to dry.
Oh, nice. And that's the sculpture medium if you want like your fabric to stiffen.
There's another dress form here on the floor that has an upholstery fabric that I took and made a ribbon with it. So it just came off of here.
Nice. And this is one of your smaller dress form ladies, right?
I do the full size.
Yep.
I've done one wearable only once. I'm working on another one for the same competition that I did 2 years ago.
Oh, okay.
That one I'm going to start showing sneak peeks pretty soon.
Yeah. Awesome. And they could find all your work at vintagegirl.com. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video from Creativation 2020. If you want more videos from Creativation, be sure to check out the playlist on my channel. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.